And we're going to see the most damaging winds in the foothills. KCRA 3's Andres Valle is live in El Dorado Hills tonight. So Andres, how are people in that area getting ready for this?
Well, they're doing it by, securing all those Christmas decorations. But out here live, we've actually seen those winds kind of pick up a little bit. And sort of see the flag back there kind of waving in the distance. But we also noticed one of those signs over here from the pickup area tip over within the past half hour or so. So right now, we've seen those wind gusts kind of pick up here in El Dorado Hills. But like I mentioned earlier, we've seen a lot of people pick up necessities ahead of the storm. On this Christmas Eve, all through El Dorado Hills, decorations are standing still.
I got faith in Scully. He's made it through a couple winters with us already, so I got faith in him. The hat might be gone, but we'll get him back. Josh McGee securing his Christmas-themed skeleton before strong winds move into the area. His neighbor Tom second-guessing putting the trash out this early.
I might be picking up garbage in the morning.
The strong gusts are expected to last through Christmas Day, putting those who live in El Dorado Hills on high alert for the potential of power outages.
I have generators and everything, but PG&E is notoriously unreliable during these kind of situations. They don't have the best track record of keeping power on.
We used to lose power a lot, but the last couple of years have been better, so hopefully that doesn't happen again this year. But I know up the hill it definitely gets a little worse than down in El Dorado Hills.
PG&E says they are fully staffed and have crews in place to respond to any outages ahead of the high winds.
El Dorado Hills is maybe a little different than up the hill. We lose power a little bit more often.
Jeff Weeks with Ace Hardware says the store was steady with customers preparing for the storm.
We didn't anticipate quite the run that we had.
The shelves across the lighting section bare Tuesday night. Jeff says they plan on staying open Christmas Eve for those who might need anything during the storm.
Come in early, get the things that you think you're going to need. Being prepared with generators, candles, lights, flashlights, huge things, batteries. We have all those kinds of things.
All good advice right there. And of course, that Ace Hardware store right behind me is expected to stay open Christmas Eve, at least up until 4 p.m. So anybody here in El Dorado Hills who may need any of those last-minute batteries or even generators, you guys can come down here in case you need them. Back out here live, though, we are really just dealing with some gusty winds, but like Heather mentioned, those winds will get stronger overnight. Live here in El Dorado Hills, Andres Valle, KCRA 3 News.
Andres, thank you so much.